day one of bullying myself into being better at leetcode. I'm gonna do binary search, so pretty easy one. Done it tons of times in the past, but I haven't done one recently. So I have to think about the actual, like the actual algorithm behind it, and then apply it to the code and see if I get it fairly quickly. Let's see, left. I know I'm going to need a left pointer and a right pointer. Okay, so this is a list of numbers. So I know that I need the left one to be at the 0 position, 0 index. The right one I need it to be at the length of nums -1, if I remember correctly. So that's the last position. And we need a midpoint as well to establish a midpoint, but I think we can do that mid algorithms. We have to continually compute that. Let's see. So whilst this left pointer is like less than or equal to the right one, that looks about right. Then we can calculate our midpoint, which will be our left pointer floor divided by no plus our right pointer floor divided by 2, so that we get like a, so we don't get any kind of like what do you call it, floating point numbers. We get an exact, truncated number. I think that's it, to be honest. I think that's the main, not it of course, but I'm pretty sure from there all I have to do is start focusing on whether the target is bigger than or less than the midpoint, and then just start like chopping off parts of the array to ensure that like I get like end up in the correct partition of the array, so we can just start discounting parts of it. So I'm going to say if the target is greater than midpoint. We're comparing the number, not the thing, isn't it? So I think I need to do nums at midpoint. Then I'm going to do, if it's greater than the midpoint, that means it has to be on this side, which means we need to bring the left pointer up, isn't it? So I'm going to say left is going to be equal to mid, but that's to like be +1 if I think correctly, because yeah, that looks about right anyway. Don't judge me, I haven't done this in a while. I'm starting fresh, so hopefully I'm using a bit of intuition here, like, but we'll wait and see. Mid -1. That looks about right, to be honest, I think. Let's just return mid and see what we get. This seems wrong. I feel like I should be doing something else. I think I need an early return as well. I do. This is take time limit exceeded. Fuck. What did I get? Okay. Okay, yes, no, we actually need to find the actual case of if the target is actually equal to nums midpoint. Then we can just return Mid, right? Tell me that's it, because to be honest, this is already embarrassing. What? Oh god. Okay, okay, I'll put 0. I think it's what it is. Target 0. Okay, so target equals. So if it's target equals 2, so if I don't, so yeah, it's not in the array. What is it? Okay, well, let's actually see. First we can say. No, it's outside, to be honest. Okay. That looks wrong. This is what I mean in these cases, so I can't be, I think it's inside that loop. Maybe I should check that first as well. Yeah, the second condition was right, so it's not equal to nouns mid. Okay, so now we have this list title. The order's incoming. This one's first section, let's go through it. So say, so what's left is equal to, let's do right, exactly the midpoint. So check, okay. I was wondering if that's exactly 201, so that so the midpoint is 2. Okay, do you know what? Okay. Because if you didn't get it right, it's just not. I don't know why. My brain just. Like, can you see why in an exam format I'd completely fucked that up? Like the answer was just staring me in the eyes. I mean, clearly, if it's not returned inside the loop, it's the incorrect answer. And my brain just completely was just thinking all these random things, and then yeah. Trash, absolute trash. How long that took me? Like 9 minutes to do. Like that feels fucking horrible, but we got there in the end. I'm gonna speed that up so you don't have to sit through it. But let's submit. Looks good. All right, that's day 1. I'm gonna grind more leetcode, and then I'll do a couple other more challenging ones as I get better throughout the month. This is day 1 of suffering, so don't sue me. It has to be a couple easies to warm up and get my brain thinking algorithmically. But more on that later. Peace.